Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing window tints on the 370Z. But first of all, we've got to clean the interior because of being an HGV driver, driving a skip lorry around all day. It gets pretty dirty in here, as this is my daily.
Yeah. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Everything that we do exclusive, make sure that it's all inclusive. I was taught make no excuses. As a man, you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless. Down, these thoughts clueless. Lobster Mac, I'm up at roof. Chris, from my tone, you peep the smoothness. In this world, you get the loot. Then your dreams is gonna be lucid. Fool me one time, shame on you. Second time, you gonna be foolish. All that BS for the birds. It come to me, I'm chucking deuces. I stay loyal to the soil, never out here breaking truces. On this road, it's bumps and bruises. Either you move smart or stupid. Nike's on my feet, yeah. And I got a couple swooshes. We ain't have a choice, really. It was either sports or music. Came up in that 90s gritty. That's why this so therapeutic. And you know the flow like fluid. Leave a water boy ruined. Always under the influence. Catch me fresh up in the newest. But I'm always round the fewest. Brothers that I call my unit. G with my G's, cause you know them hundreds be the bluest. It's on some coward. Always talking politics. Staying to ourselves. We've been proud of our accomplishments. Seen a lot of, but that don't mean I had to follow it. We in a different caliber. These just some scavengers. Feeling like King Arthur when he grabbed the sword Excalibur. Always plan ahead, we've been looking at the calendar. Designated driver, but I'm sitting in the passenger. Stacking up our bread, we just watch the numbers adding up. I ain't gon' front, we gon' need a bladder, bruh. All that don't matter, you could tell them batter up. I need my pockets fat enough. Hit her with that stamina. Hot, keep getting fatter, bruh. Pull up in the Maxima, turned up to the maximum. We in here laying tracks again. This here was designed and it wasn't by no accident. Like Dill said on Tempo, had to switch up the tempo. And we never forcing vibes cause we keeping it simple.
This be space-time continuum breaking speech. The clock's tick-tocking, quit watching, I'm making heat. Get burned, turned, flip like a snitch. When I spit words, quick I spit the vicious shit. Then I dip swerve, driving to a lane less infested with lanes. And I cess burning.
Now that's the interior all clean, let's get on with tinting these windows. Alright, so the tint we're going to be using is Black Glass LX. Got it off Amazon. It's £36.99. You get 6 meters of the stuff.
Bread it up like sandwich. Are you okay? Working on my.
So at this point, guys, I'm just cleaning the window inside and out, just making sure I get rid of any grime, any grease, anything like that.
My pedigree better meet for my.
Then I've rolled out the film and cut the amount that I need, get it positioned on the window best I can, and then start the trimming process. And here I'm just lining the film up for when the window rolls back up when the door's shut before I cut the top edge. And now we're on to heat shrinking the film to the shape of the window. And what I have learned is tint will only shrink up or down, it will not shrink out to the side.
It's love when I slide. Baddie on call, say she for my type.
At this point we're just trimming all the corners, making them round, because hard edges will lift.
I need the royalties, real with the notary. I work on the form.
Now spray the inside of the window with your soapy water. Take the protective film off and get that same soapy water on the glue of the film, and then start the application.
People who close to me vibe like a rosary. See through these like hosiery. Feel like they to me, feel like he chosen me. God just been holding me. Remember them teachers was scolding me back when the old me was young and depressed. I just wish you could sit down and speak.
At this point you'll see me using a file, and I'm just rubbing it across the top edge, just where the film was overhanging slightly. And it just cuts the film very, very neatly along the glass. This particular piece I'm actually installing now is a second attempt because I royally messed up the first one.
Are you okay?
Let's get this window done now. All done. Overall, I'm very happy with the way the windows turned out. I'm not a tinter by any means. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos on what to do and best practice. If you are struggling with tinting windows, make sure that you're buying a better quality film, because I found that it does shrink a lot better when using the heat gun, and that's my tip for you guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget,
like, share and subscribe for future content, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to tint the front windscreen, or at least try to tint the front windscreen.